In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down to access password and security. Now tap on Face section at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Following that, hit continue at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions on your screen. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're done, click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Sorry. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!